Just come over here, choose any video that you want, click on it, and then start making as much money as you want to make. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online using YouTube Shorts without ever needing to film your face. All that you need to do is simply follow this video step by step till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to invideo.com. So guys, when you come on to invideo.com, you will basically see this dashboard in front of you. Now guys, invideo.com is basically a platform through which you can actually design yourself very nice videos and stuff. So like, make sure to sign up on this platform quickly. Now after that, I want you to open up a new tab and I want you to type in over here, what happens if you plank daily. So like, simply do that, and then after that, simply open up the first link that comes up. So when you open up the first link that comes up, after that you will be able to see this article in front of you. Now it can be any article. It doesn't actually have to be this particular article. It can literally be any article whatsoever. So when you do that, after that, from over here you can basically see all the different things that happen when you plank. So essentially you need to be careful with like basically what you choose and what you're going to be using for your video. Now you guys must be wondering, how are we gonna make a video out of this? Well guys, it is very simple. What you can do is that you can simply record a voiceover in your own voice on these 10 points, or basically use a tool like the fake voiceover recorder. So once you type in fake voiceover, after that simply open up the free voiceover generator. So once you do that, simply wait for a couple of seconds and then simply start pasting that article over here. So like, for example, I'm gonna simply copy this particular article and then I'm gonna basically paste it over here. So once I paste this over here, I can simply click on play and I will hear the voiceover as well. So I'm gonna simply do that right now for you guys. I'm gonna click on play and then I basically have to choose the language as well and also the speed and stuff. So like, basically there you go guys, this was in Italian. You can actually change the language to anything. Like for example, I'm gonna change it to English. So like, there you go. That is how you can actually get yourself a voiceover. So like, click on download now and then simply download this particular voiceover onto your computer. So basically once you have done that, you are essentially done with basically step number 1, which was understanding the whole procedure. Now we're gonna move on to step number 2, in which I'll show you how you can actually get started with the video. So step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come back to InVideo.io and then I want you to simply click on the try video ads. Type in over here shorts. Now once you type in shorts over here, simply press enter and then you will see a lot of templates in front of you. Now from the top right, simply click on 9:16 vertical, and then after that is simply from over here choose any template that you want for your personal stuff. So like, I'm gonna simply choose this particular one from the right side. I'm gonna choose that and then I'm gonna click on use this template. Now once I do this, that is gonna take me over to another page. So like, once I go over to that page, now from over here I can basically start modifying this. So what I can do now is that I can simply from the left side add videos, add images, add music, add text, add logos, add folders, and so much more. So like, now for example, I'm gonna click on this particular text over here and I'm gonna type in best plank benefits. So once I type in that, and then I'm gonna basically delete this particular text and then I'm gonna change this particular text to tap now. Now what I can do is that I can simply put pictures of people planking over here. So like, I'm gonna click on image and then I'm gonna basically type in the search bar plank. So once I type in plank, after that you can basically see all the different images that come up. So like, we even have a girl image over here where the girl is planking. Now this is all possible, but you will have to pay money for this. So to avoid this, you can actually use a website called pexels.com. So like, pexels.com is another amazing tool. So now from over here type in plank and then after that wait for a couple of seconds and then simply download any image that you want. So I'm gonna basically download this particular image. I'm gonna click on the download button. I'm gonna save it onto my computer and then I'm gonna basically come back to InVideo. I'm gonna click on the upload button from the left side. I'm gonna click on upload media and then I'm gonna basically upload that particular image, and I will drag and drop it over here. So I'm gonna click on replace, and then my image is gonna be here, and then the older images are gonna be replaced. So like guys, it is that simple to like actually like get started with this. So like I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna basically like delete the button, and then after that I'm gonna simply like click on play. So like we have this over here. I'm gonna simply back up, and I'm gonna change this text. So basically I'm gonna like type in over here energy drink. So I'm gonna type in over here best planking. So like once I type in best planking over here, after that you basically have to like just play it again. So now from over here, click on this plus button again, and then you will basically see that video. So like the video looks really nice now. And now I want you to simply click on the top right where it says download. So once you click on download, after that simply like click on export, and then this video is going to be saved onto your computer without much hassle. So like that is basically how you can actually get yourself videos from InVideo, and then also like basically publish them onto YouTube. So like once you've done all of that, now what you can do is you can simply come on to youtube.com, and once you come on to youtube.com, now from over here you can basically like type in the best planking benefits. So once you type in the best planking benefits, you can see that people have uploaded similar videos, but you guys don't need to make long videos. You can simply click on the plus button from the top right and click on upload video, and after that you can just simply like drag and drop the video that you just made using InVideo. Now what you can do is that you can simply like type in the description something which is relevant to your video topic, and then to make the most money, simply put in an affiliate link over there as well. So for the affiliate link, I want you to come on to clickbank.com, and I want you to sign up over here ASAP by simply clicking on the sign up button. And once you do that, sign up, and I'll catch you guys in just a second. So once you sign up, now from over here from the left side, I want you to basically pick a category that is about your particular product. So I'm gonna basically choose a weight loss from over here. I'll have to take a look around first. Like over here, click on health and fitness, and now in the search bar you can type in the name of a particular product, or you can simply pick any product from over here. So I'm gonna basically click on promote, and then I'm going to click on generate hop links. Now once I click on generate hop links, I'm going to click on copy, and then once I have my affiliate link, I can simply paste it in my YouTube description. But guys, before you pick any product, just take a look at how much commission are you going to be making from that product. So like this particular product is going to pay you $142 in commissions. This product is going to pay you $174. The Dentitox is going to pay you $105 in commission. And then similarly, we have products paying us more and more. So like essentially that is how it works. And guys, this method is honestly really simple. And like once you start uploading those YouTube shorts and you start getting views and sales, after that you guys will be making a lot of money in your ClickBank account. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.